The Whynter Portable Air Conditioner. Your summer savior is here. Imagine being able to escape the sweltering heat without breaking the bank or sacrificing precious square footage. That's exactly what this game-changing portable air conditioner promises to deliver. With its award-winning design, this powerful yet quiet AC unit can tackle even the largest spaces, up to 500 square feet, and provide a cooler, more comfortable environment for you and your loved ones. But what really sets this apart is its incredible cooling capacity. 14,000 BTU. That's enough power to chill even the most stubborn temperatures in no time. And with a runtime of 10 hours on low speed, you can enjoy uninterrupted relief from the heat without worrying about the AC dying on you mid-cooling session. Another standout feature? The built-in dehumidifier. This isn't just any ordinary dehumidifier. It's a patented auto-drain function that automatically exhausts all condensate in most environments. That means you can enjoy up to 71 pints of dehumidifying capacity per day, leaving your home feeling fresher and cleaner than ever before. But here's the thing. This AC unit isn't just about cooling, it's also about circulating air effectively. With a whopping 430 cubic meters per hour airflow and a maximum power consumption of 1300 W, you can say goodbye to stuffy rooms and hello to a healthy, well-oxygenated environment. And let's not forget the convenience factor. This AC unit is designed for ease of use. Just plug it in, set your desired temperature, and enjoy. Plus, with a sleek platinum/black design, it looks great in any room, adding a touch of modern style to your decor. But what really gets me excited about this portable air conditioner? The fact that it's not only powerful but also eco-friendly. It runs off CFC-free fluid, making it an environmentally responsible choice for homeowners who care about the planet. In terms of safety, don't worry, this AC unit has got you covered. With a built-in overheat protection system and a cool touch exterior, you can trust that your home and family are safe from overheating or electrical shock. And when it comes to maintenance, this portable air conditioner is incredibly easy to clean and maintain. Simply wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth and vacuum up any debris, and you're good to go. But what about energy efficiency? This AC unit is designed to be as energy efficient as possible. With an Energy Star rating, you can rest assured that you're not wasting your hard-earned cash on unnecessary energy costs. In short, this Whynter Portable Air Conditioner is a total game changer. With its unbeatable cooling capacity, built-in dehumidifier, and sleek design, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to beat the heat without breaking the bank. And let's not forget about the real-world benefits. Imagine being able to enjoy your outdoor space year-round without feeling like you're walking through a sauna. Or picture this: being able to host dinner parties or game nights in comfort without having to worry about your guests getting stuck with the heat. That's what this portable air conditioner can do for you. But here's the best part. At an affordable price point that won't break the bank, this AC unit is within reach of anyone who wants to experience a cooler, more comfortable home. So why wait? Get ready to say goodbye to sweltering summers and hello to a happier, healthier you.